Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for mid-month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright. So let's get started with your reading now for my Leos mid-December 2021 Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for my Leos mid-December 2021. Okay. Six of Swords is coming up as your overall energy. Okay. It's like I feel that you're finding some answer in some situation. It could be, you're trying to find inner peace and balance, or you're trying to just either end the stuff or just start it again in a good way. You are in that zone. In the past, we have the Empress, the Star, and Ten of Swords. I feel that you were involved in a very good, prosperous relationship. It was a good relationship. Things were going up. There were ups and downs in that relationship. Things might have ended as well. Okay, somehow, somewhere, things ended. You always wanted not to end this kind of a relation. You always had lots and lots of hope for that relationship to reconcile again in a very good way. But somehow it ended. At present also, you seem, with the Queen of Cups, Five of Pentacles and Three of Swords, it seemed like you're still going through that process of separation. It could be a marriage also you are going through a separation from, a committed relationship or any other situation. There are losses in finances you are struggling with, and things not seem very pleasant to you at present. In the coming future, we have Justice, Three of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. I feel that somebody is coming up with some reconciliation techniques. It could be a reconciliation, it could be a consideration or a contract signing, or something in relation with your marriage, getting back together again. But there is something tricky coming up with the situation as well with the Seven of Swords. I feel that if somebody is trying to trick you into this kind of a situation, try not to just blindly faith in that person or that situation, because things might not turn the way you feel or you want them to turn. So there could be some trickery, some deception also involved. So the suggestion which is coming up at present right now from these cards is try to look around yourself and then trust the people around you, because I do not see something healthy coming up. Okay, let me clarify, but it could be some other way as well. Tell me the Six of Swords in the overall energy for my Leos. Six of Swords energy, please. Fool, Hangman and King of Wands. I feel that all of a sudden things were really quiet around you. Okay, things were quiet, things were just going out slowly, steadily, and all of a sudden it just started again. Movement started again, I feel. And you were like, everything was fine. Why did the movement start? Or if you want to move, or if you want to put something in situation, or in a sense, like if you want things to go to a certain direction, just make it towards the ending only. Okay, I do not want to go back, although there is a feeling inside you where you want to go back. This could be a person as well, so just take the situation as the vice versa. So okay, so it can be like vice versa. For some of you, it's a feeling of innocence. I am getting the term innocence and self sacrifice, which I am getting right now. I feel that you were too innocent and you sacrificed your dreams, yourself for a person. You were caring, you were the nurturer. Somehow you didn't behave like a strong Leo over there. I'm really sorry, but somewhere, you had that thing. I'm not saying you never had it. You had that Leo strong energy, but you just let it go for somebody out there. That self-worth value, self-worth was not, you were not getting the thing, because you were not ready for I'm not able to put up in the words. What I'm trying to say is, yes, you are not behaving like a true Leo at a certain point. And this is why, understanding your self-worth is really important, which you were not able to at that particular point of time. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so tell me about the Empress energy in the past. Why the Empress energy is here? Empress and Empress, Five of Wands and the Ace of Swords. So this is clearly telling us that you, without knowing the situation exactly what is going on, you were so innocent. You were just what you were doing. You were just taking care of your family, your relationship. All you were doing was you were giving and giving and giving. But it always was not just that. There were a lot of things. You were thinking that what did I do? I was just the one who was giving the love and who was taking care of the family, or who was just loving you, and you were just finding ways to go away from me, or finding ways to fight with me, somewhere like that. You have always found there was not any clarity in our relationship. People were trying to manipulate you, and you were just coming over me by listening to other people. You never understood what I wanted, or what was my part of the my part of the story. Yes, you have gone through this kind of a situation, Leos. Star, you always had hopes, I feel, in regards with the situation. Two of Pentacles, the Hierophant and the Emperor. You wanted to make your family, you wanted to make your marriage work, your relationship work, but there was always this manipulating person, authoritative person around you. Could be a father to your person, or a person older to you. Something was there. This person was always, they were trying to keep your person busy always, so that they do not talk to you, or they do not get involved with you so good, in a very good manner. So I feel that there were a lot of people around you who did not wanted to be with you, who did not want your person to be with you. Sorry. 10 of Swords, let me see. 9 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles and 6 of Cups. Yeah. You are wanting to make your relationship work. You are thinking about the past relationship with this person, when you could be, you could have married your college sweetheart, or your school sweetheart, or a past person, a childhood person. Okay, you could have married, or you could have been in a very long-term relationship with this person, and all of a sudden when people get involved in your relationship, it was like, it was not like before. You have always, there was a situation where you could not be with this person the way you were with them before. Tell me about the Five of Pentacles in the present. Justice, Six of Wands, and Page of Wands. So I feel that yes, there is a separation which is going on in terms of, this could be a court issue for some of you which is happening at present. But yes, there is separation thing which is coming up. A child could also be involved in your situation, and child custody thing is also a problem, where you could be a mother. Yes, you could be a mother or a father, or yes, this situation is really not good for you at present. You are really stressing because of this. Let me see the past energies now, because this is something which is coming up tricky for you, your future energies. Justice, why Justice is here. Seven of Pentacles, the Devil, and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so the universe is trying to tell you that if this thing is temporarily, if the things are happening really fast all of a sudden around you, like, let's get back together and let's just sorry, I was saying that that if your person is if somebody is trying to tell you that, like, let's just get back together, and if things happen really fast, so this might not be a very good turn of events for you. Try to take things slow at a time, because these things will take some time. If people are coming towards you, offering you a second chance, offering you or asking a second chance from you, this might not be the best option for you. Because I'm not saying for all of you, I'm saying for only some of you, because you cannot take a decision like that. You have to you keep your eyes around the surroundings, like who is actually trying to help you out, or who is actually trying to just be intelligent or being smart over here. Somebody is playing smart in that situation. Three of Pentacles, Page of Swords, the Strength, and the Chariot. So somebody is keeping an eye on you, a close watch on you through your will be coming up. This is your future energies. Is trying to keep a close watch on you, like in social media and everything, where you are really, see, as I told you, there's that innocence feeling which is coming up today for you, Leos. You, in a very innocent manner, you are just you are just trying to be happy. You're just trying to make yourself aware of the self-love which you want, but people are not good around you. You have to look out the surroundings. Seven of Swords, I want to know, please, what is the Seven of Swords? I'm not getting a very positive vibe. Knight of Swords, Seven of Wands, and the Hermit. So yeah, I feel that because somewhere you cannot build trust on everyone. So you need to understand that there could be some people who are trying to fool you. So you have to be ready for all the fights you can, because there are fightings which are coming up towards you. It could be a fight in the court, not that fight. I'm saying, it could be a law fight which you are doing. You are standing up for yourself. You are not letting yourself down or your family, because you need justice, and this is why you are ready to fight for justice and ready to fight for your own self in the coming future. Wow, so you are standing up as a true Leo in the coming future, which was missing in the past and present. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.